Hello viewers, Fly OBE has received another update, now upgraded to version 1.10. The developer has releasing update very quickly and giving this tool a lot of attention. Just to recap, Fly OBE is a utility that helps remove the restriction Microsoft placed during the installation of Windows 11. Especially with version 24H2 and simple words, it's a bypass tool that lets you install Windows 11 on hardware that does not officially meet the requirements. According to the developer, this is a major update with many improvements, so in this video I will give you a quick overview since this app has become quite popular. First, the repo has been renamed by Fly 11 to Fly OBE. Navigation has also been reworked. Now there is a modern bottom navigation with a next button, and the installer follows a clean step-by-step process instead of the old side tree view. There are now large, easy to tap buttons at the bottom, making navigation simpler. AI detection and review has been improved along with the refresh button. A Wi-Fi bug has also been fixed. Early app location service were disabled, Wi-Fi networks would not appear. Now app access is denied. The app shows a helpful message and redirect user to Windows location setting to enable access. The naming of control has been updated to match Microsoft Windows style, making this interface more familiar. The experience page has been cleaned up by removing unnecessary items related to Microsoft Edge, and some ARUR feature has been removed to detection to a dedicated OBE page. Scripting support has been expanded for setup extension. Now user can provide PowerShell script, download extension directly from URL, or import them from their PC. There are also 4 new extensions. Default power plan lets you switch between balance, high performance and battery saver mode during setup. Number 2, File Explorer tweaks allow you to set common options like showing file extension, showing hidden file, and opening this PC by default. Number 3, post setup cleanup helps remove temporary file, leftover components, and update caches to free up space after installation. Number 4, Windows 11 honest mode let you review telemetry settings, start up apps, and scheduled tasks to see what Windows is running in the background. So this is a major update for Fly OBE 1.10. Many people are using it already and the feedback has been very positive. I just wanted to keep you updated, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.